Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number for your laptop. So the serial number of your laptop is written down on the bottom cover of your device. So let me show you the back cover, and let's find the serial number. And if you look right here, you'll find the SN, which stands for serial number, and the characters next to it is the serial number of your device. Let me move it closely so you can see it more clearly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.